Hey crafty friends, we are taking a vintage gravy boat and we're gonna decorate it with some seasonal decor. So it's a great way to display your vintage pieces and have a little fun twist on them. I'm taking the bunny rabbit from the Hobby Lobby and just using some scrapbook paper. I'm decoupaging that on. I've got some floral foam, cut a piece of it. I did not put it in there permanently. You can pop it out with hot glue and then change it for seasonal decor. Some Spanish moss to cover all that, plus keep that vintage primitive look. I'm cutting kind of a hole with my scissors to get my dowel in there, and I'm going to paint my dowel with a baby wipe and semi-sweet, give it a stained kind of a look. Little Dollar Tree eggs and some other little robin's eggs that I had in my stash. This is a battery powered candle. Came just like that. So now I'm going to trim the excess scrap paper off. I just put it on a block of wood and using my X-Acto knife so I didn't tear up my table. Pulling the extra pieces out. I'm using some distressing inks to vintage it up. Got a little heavy, so I used some baby wipe and wiped some of it back. Now I'm going to attach that to the dowel. And you could, if this is going to be double-sided, do one on the back side also. This was not. This is going on a shelf. You're not going to see the back side of it. So now I'm going to add some of these sparkly eggs that are already on the dowel. They came just like that from the dollar store. So you could do these for any season. Sunflower for every day, stars for 4th of July. I moved that candle out and I'm going to rust up a different tea light. So I'm using some paint. That's semi-sweet from Rethunk Junk. Some cinnamon. And then a little more paint over the top of it. It's one way to rusty it up. A little more cinnamon. I'm just going to set that right on top. Some more eggs. Cute little piece. I tied a little vintage curtain on the handle. We've got a cute little seasonal decor piece.